Yes, that's what I was thinking too.
I think I'm gonna take on a part-time right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now it is, yes. What are you doing?
Pretty good, man.
Good.
So, it's everybody's first time here today?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
So, you guys filled out the waivers yesterday?
We did.
All right, so welcome to Athena Gun Club. We are a continuous live fire range, so that means we don't pull any ceasefires out there unless there's an emergency or closing. While inside the range, please always wear your eye protection, ear protection. You guys, whenever you're casing and uncasing your guns, please do the casing and uncasing at the shooting bench. We just don't want people walking around with a gun in hand. As for the rifle rental, please leave it in there when we finish. We'll walk it back out for you guys. If you guys share guns with each other, it's all right to share. Just please don't hand the guns to each other, take them from each other. Please set it down, let the other person pick it up safely.
Gotcha.
We are a rapid fire range as well. You can shoot as fast as you like, as long as you're being safe. Just please don't point anything to the ceiling, to the ground, to the sides, or anything like that, even if the guns are empty and clear. If you look over the top, you'll see we do have cameras in every lane out there. So if you do need any assistance from us at all, whether the gun jams, not sure how to fix it, target system acts up, somebody else being unsafe, please just give us a big wave of the camera. It's in the top right-hand corner of every lane out there.
Okay. Cool.
If you don't see us in about 20 seconds, just leave the issue there, come get our attention, because we might just be busy helping somebody else.
Okay.
Other than that, sorry, we are a rapid fire range. You can shoot as fast as you like. Just please keep everything pointed out, like I said. If you brought your own ammunition, you can use your own ammunition in your own firearms. For our rentals, you have to use ours.
Yeah, that's the only thing I was looking at here. I brought steel casing.
Yeah, so those we can allow into the range, so you can keep them either in one of our lockers or in the vehicle. We're not allowed to let it go inside because they are fire and ricochet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put out 5 fires the past 2 years, so it's not fun.
Yeah.
And I've been hit with a lot of ricochets too. It's not cool.
Damn.
Not cool.
I've seen some.
Yeah, the holes in the back, that's from kids picking at the wall.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right here.
A piece of metal and just get stuck in the rubber walls.
Yeah.
But I've been hit like in the legs. I thought somebody flung a rubber band at me. Kind of stings.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's why we always make sure we're eyeing it.
Got it.
And yeah, it's usually only show them to shooting steel, and we have to kick somebody out.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, so other than that, the target system looks just like this. It's on the left-hand side of your booth, and there's only 2 buttons to mess with. The top arrow pushes your target down right away from you. The bottom arrow brings your target back to you. And at the top, it shows your distance in yards. If you need extra lights above you on the booth, there's a dial just like this on the right-hand side. Just give it a clockwise turn, and the lights above you will turn on if you need them. Other than that, once you guys get to your lanes, you'll have 1 hour to shoot. If you get